You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, Sirius satellite radio, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, driver vanity mirror. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.